In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initialize a local repo and connect it to GitHub, enabling you to seamlessly push your code from your computer up to GitHub. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open the terminal. If you're using Windows, you might use Git Bash, but on Mac or Linux, the built-in terminal will work just fine. Once your terminal is up and running, navigate to the folder that contains your project. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to your project directory. For example, typing cd/path to your project and hitting enter will take you there. Now, let's check if this folder is already a Git repository. If not, we'll initialize it by entering the command git init. This command is crucial as it creates a hidden .git folder inside your project directory, and that's where Git will track all your project changes and history. So after initializing, your folder is now recognized as a repository. Next, we'll want to stage our files for the first commit. This can be done by entering git add. The period here means we want to stage all the files in the current directory. Once that's done, commit the files to version control with git commit initial commit. This step ensures that all your current project files are now officially under version control. Now, with the local repository set up, head over to GitHub. You'll need to create a new repository here. Navigate to the top right corner where you see the plus icon. Click on it and select New Repository. Give your repository a name and a brief description, if you'd like. Once it's created, GitHub will show you the repository's URL. Copy this URL. It's either in HTTPS or SSH format, based on what works best for you. Returning to the terminal, we're going to link this GitHub repository as the remote origin. Paste that URL you copied into the following command. Git remote add origin. Make sure to replace YCO with your actual repository URL from GitHub, such as https github.com, username, repo.git. At this point, you might need to adjust your branch name. Many repositories now default to main instead of master, so you can rename your branch to main by typing git branch main. Nearly there. The final step in this initial setup is pushing your local code to the GitHub repository. Use the command git push uorigin main. The IU flag is particularly handy because it sets this origin main branch as the default for future pushes and pulls, saving you time in future operations. To wrap up, go back to your browser, refresh your GitHub repository page, and there you have it. Your project files should now be visible on GitHub. Congratulations on successfully linking your local repo with GitHub.